I'd like to introduce the Edison Amberola that played the Amberola records, the 4-minute recording cylinders. This particular model, Model 30, is a later Model 30, produced somewhere around 1918, and they advertised these strong, indestructible recordings compared to the earlier wax cylinders that were very fragile. You can see the advertisement here: never breaks, never wears out. Very fine recording grooves, and this is these are views of the actual cylinder that plays on the record player. So let's crank up and a record here by the Calvary Choir. You can see that this is the Beatitudes and Hymns, and the scripture is read by Reverend W.H. Morgan, Doctor of Divinity. The Amberola 30 was like a second generation of the cylinder players. Earlier models only played 2.5 minutes max, and this was a 4.5 minute cylinder. As you can see, this is got a little bit of wear and tear on it. The cabinet is very dull and has several chips, and the metal inside needs some work.
I will read the Beatitudes from the Sermon on the Mount. And seeing the multitude, he went up into the mountain, and when he was set, his disciples came unto him.
I decided to just go ahead and take this completely apart, removing all the metal pieces, the recording head, the speaker or the horn, and redo the cabinet, restain and use some polyurethane on the cabinet. And the individual metal parts were in really good condition, but needed to be sanded down and repainted.
For they shall see God. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called the children of God. Blessed are they which are persecuted for righteousness' sake, for theirs is the kingdom.
Obviously, you can hear a scratch in the cylinder there, that popping. But these cylinders are actually in very good condition, and it's very common for them to have a lot of that background scratchy noise. If you'll notice, the front grille has some brown cloth on it. That was added recently, I can tell by the glue. I've noticed some photographs of these Model 30s that don't have any cloth in front of them. Since I am going to refinish the horn, I think I might tear that cloth off. We'll see. Now I'd like to show you some photographs while this next record plays of the before and after pictures of the restoration. It's not a professional restoration. It was rather a 3-day turnaround kind of thing, but I am pleased with the result. And as you can see, I didn't take the cloth off the front grille. I may still do that, but I'm going to look at some more pictures in the archives to see how the originals actually were shipped with or without a grille cloth.